Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video I'm going to share with you this party look right here, and I have created this black purple glittery half cut crease eye look and paired it with a beautiful pink lipstick. I think this look is perfect for any party or any outfit. Before starting, if you are new here, then hi, I am Nita. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos almost every alternative day. Please take a moment to subscribe. For that, go to your YouTube app and press that red subscribe button. Also press the bell icon next to it so that you get notification if anybody upload a new video, and it is absolutely free. So without further ado, let's get started. So first I'm taking this Maybelline TattooStudio brow pomade in the shade black brown, and I'm just drawing the borders of my brows first, then I'll be filling them up using smaller strokes. I already shared with you my brow routine a couple of months ago. I will link that video down in the description bar below, so please go ahead and check that out. I'm just combing my brows with a spoolie so that the product is well saturated. Now I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20, and I'm just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. I'm also applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows that is coming up next. I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This one is from L'Oreal. I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 15, and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. For my eyes, first I'm taking Statement from my Profusion Cosmetics Wanderlust palette. It is a very nice warm toned brown color, and with this brush from Pune store, I'm just applying it as my transition color. Now I'm taking Regal from the same palette. It is a very nice blue toned purple color, and I'm applying it on my outer V area as well as on my crease, and the brush that I'm using is from E.L.F. This palette does not have any black eyeshadows, so I'm taking a matte black eyeshadow from my Maybelline The Nudes palette, and I'm applying it on my outer V area. I'm taking Go Girl, which is a purplish pink shade, and I'm just diffusing the borders to create a nice gradient effect. I'm cutting my crease and I'm creating a half cut crease look here, and the brush that I'm using is from Pune store. I'm just setting the concealer with the same loose powder. I'm taking Regal again, and I'm applying it on the border of my cut crease to make it look even prominent. Now applying Regal next to the black eyeshadow. I'm taking Go Girl and I'm going to apply it on the center of my eyelid. I'm mixing Gravity and Nimbus together, and I'm applying it on the inner part of my eyelid. And I'm just blending out the edges. I'm taking this Milani Hypnotic Lights Eyetopper in the shade Cosmic Meadow, and I'm just applying it on top of Go Girl. I'm taking a glitter eyeliner. I'm just applying it on the border, and I got these glitter eyeliners from Amazon.in. I will mention the link in the description bar below, so please go ahead and check that out. I'm just creating a nice wing here with my Wet n Wild MegaLiner in black. Before continuing with my eye makeup, I'm going to finish my base, then I will return to my eye makeup again. For that, I'm taking this E.L.F. Poreless Primer and I'm just priming my face. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. Recently, I uploaded a video where I shared with you how I prepare my skin for makeup. I will link that video down in the description bar below, so please go ahead and check that out. That video is going to be really helpful for you. Now I'm just color correcting my face using this L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Orange Color Corrector, and I'm applying it around my mouth and underneath my eyes. It will help to neutralize all those darkness underneath. Now I'm just blending it out using my finger. For my foundation, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation in the shade Classic Beige, and I'm just buffing it in using the same damp beauty sponge. This foundation is gorgeous. It looks stunning on my skin. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same Fit Me concealer and I'm just applying it underneath my eyes, on the center of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, cupid bow, chin, on the sides of my mouth, and just under where I'm going to place my contour next. Now I'm just blending everything out again. Now I'm just setting my under eyes and my smile lines, and for that I'm using the same damp beauty sponge and the same loose powder. To set my entire makeup, I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in the shade Transparent, and I'm just setting my entire makeup. I'm applying a lot of loose powder underneath my eyes. If I get any fallouts due to the eyeshadows, it will help to catch that fallout and I can dust it off later without spoiling my base. I'm going to finish my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tight lining my eyes using this Jordana Easy Liner in jet black. I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line using the same matte black eyeshadow. I'm applying Go Girl on the border of that black eyeshadow to make everything look put together. I'm just curling my natural lashes with this Vega eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess mascara. I'm just quickly dusting up the excess powder. For my falsies, I'm going with this Ardell Fox Pink lashes in the style 811 off camera. Now I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked highlighter in the shade Radiant Gold, and I'm just highlighting my brow bones and my inner corners. And here is the final eye look. I was not totally sure at the beginning, but now I am well satisfied. Now I'm taking this Wet n Wild MegaGlo contour palette in the shade Caramel Toffee, and I'm just contouring the parameters of my face, like the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, forehead, and my nose. To contour my nose, I'm using an eyeshadow brush from Wet n Wild. For my blush, I'm using my favorite blush. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow. It is stunning. Now with the same Makeup Revolution highlighter, I'm just hitting the high points of my face, such as my cheekbones, chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, and on the center of my forehead. I'm just setting my entire makeup with my E.L.F. makeup setting spray. For my lips, I'm going with this Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Berry Recognize. And that's pretty much it. And here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar below, so please go ahead and check that out. So yeah, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care. Mwah.